Which of the following is the best title for the passage? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph says that few studies have looked closely at women's study courses in Japanese universities, and the second paragraph talks about how figures provided by a report regarding the number of women's study courses are misleading. So overall, the passage talks about the misleading impression about women's study courses in Japanese universities. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A critique of women's studies as an academic discipline. The passage talks about women's studies in Japan, but the passage doesn't analyze women's studies from an academic discipline standpoint. So this answer choice cannot be a suitable title. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, a report on women's studies programs in Japan. The second paragraph has a reference to a report, which is the report by this particular center, but the passage talks about the analysis of the report and is not the report itself. So it is incorrect to state that the passage is a report on women's study programs in Japan. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, an assessment of the status of women's studies programs in the Japanese academia. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map. Because the passage looks at women's study courses in Japanese universities and says that the figures provided by a report that considers the number of women's study courses is misleading. So overall, the passage talks about the status of women's studies courses in Japanese academia. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D, an analysis of the philosophy of women's studies programs. The passage talks about women's studies programs in Japanese universities, but does not discuss the philosophy behind these programs. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, an abbreviated history of women's studies programs in Japan since the 1970s. The passage discusses women's studies programs in Japanese universities since the mid-1970s. However, the passage is more of an analysis of these studies rather than an abbreviated history of these studies. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. C is the correct answer choice.